So this was gifted to me from a company to try out and to share with you guys. And this is the washing machine cleaning tablets. So they come in little packets, and this is what they look like out of the packets. So this product is designed to deep clean odor and limescale buildup, 99.9% bacteria and mites. So it helps the washer performance and extends its lifespan. It works in all machines, including the HE. Well, I'm going to give this a try and put this in the washer. If you want to give it a try, put one in your cart. Click on the link. Order you some.